Today we're going to focus on specific paragraphs in a text and identify the cause and effect relationship. So we need to think, how is nonfiction organized? It could be description, sequence, compare and contrast, cause and effect, or problem and solution. Today we're going to focus on cause and effect. When you're reading, you need to ask yourself two questions. What happened and why did that happen? A cause is an action or an event. Why did that happen? The effect is the result, the what happened. There is no solution in cause and effect. Cause and effect shows relationships between the event, the cause, and the effect, what happened because of the event. So you're thinking action and result. Our signal words are cause, effect, result, because, if, and then. Now we're going to watch a video and we're going to determine the cause and the effect.
Cause is what happens first. The effect is what happens next. So basically, the cause makes the effect happen. Let's talk more about cause. Look at this effect. It is a broken egg. What might have caused this to happen? Maybe someone dropped the egg while cooking. How about this effect? The girl is crying and hurt her knee. What might have been the cause? I see her bike in the background, so I'm going to guess she fell while she was riding. And what a silly picture. A silly effect. What caused this to happen? That's easy. She blew the bubble too big. Now let's talk about effects. You're about to see some causes. See if you can guess the effect. The cause here is the man pushes the first domino. What is the effect? If you guess that the rest of the dominoes will fall, you're right on. Here are some untied shoes. This could cause what to happen? This child might fall when he tries to walk. And look at this ballerina. What is the effect of lots and lots of practice? She will become a better dancer.
Sometimes when an event or an action occurs, it can have more than one effect. COVID-19 and its effects. On March 13th, our local schools and businesses became silent and empty. Life as we knew it would forever be different. A virus that we knew little about had taken over our everyday decisions in life. It is believed to have started in China and has managed to work its way into the United States. It is unpredictable and hard to treat because we do not know much about it. The COVID-19 virus spreads mostly through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose, or when someone who is infected coughs or sneezes. Interacting with people can easily spread the virus. School closures. COVID-19 spread across the United States quickly, forcing schools to shut down. Students were forced to learn the rules of digital learning, which has been very different for them. Many students did not have the technology to get the education they needed, and schools were limited on what they could provide to them. Some students went for months without access to internet to learn a new way of teaching. Both the students and the teachers struggled. The teachers were left to figure out what to teach and how to teach it with little to no guidance. Business closures. COVID-19 has also forced many businesses to shut down, and some have even been put out of business. Some owners and their families have lost everything because they were unable to keep their businesses open without having any customers. Families across the United States could not afford to live because their jobs were taken away from them. The stores that were forced to close also had to fire all their employees, leaving them with no job or way to provide for their family. The mask. One of the biggest changes caused by COVID-19 are masks. Watching young children enter schools wearing masks and eating lunch with their masks in ready position will never feel normal. Children all around the world have been forced to wear masks, no matter what or where they are. Masks are not only required for children to wear, but it is required for adults as well. Masks are not a normal way to live life and have become an issue for many. Children's smiles and adults' expressions have all been covered by masks. No matter how long we have been wearing the mask, it will never feel normal. So our cause is COVID-19. And our effects, we have many effects. One effect is that schools were shut down and forced to go digital. Another effect is that businesses were forced to close and shut down, leaving many people out of work. And our last effect is that we now have to wear masks. So one cause can actually have many effects. Which sentence best describes how paragraph 1 relates to paragraph 3? So since it's a cause and effect article, we need to find the answer that has cause and effect in it. Paragraph 1 provides a problem and paragraph 3 provides a solution. Well, the article never told us a solution for COVID-19, so it can't be A. B. Paragraph 1 asks a question and paragraph 3 provides an answer. The article did not ask us any questions. It did provide us with information. Paragraph 1 provides a cause and paragraph 3 provides an effect. So it was cause and effect, and if we look back at paragraph 1, it tells us all about the coronavirus. And paragraph 3 tells us about the first effect, which is school closures. And D, paragraph 1 provides a similarity and paragraph 3 provides a difference. Well, it's not compare and contrast because it's not comparing and contrasting two different things. However, it is giving us a cause, an action, which is the COVID-19 virus, and it is providing us with different effects in paragraph 3. Now you're going to answer this CRE question. How does the author's point of view affect the way the article is written? So when we think of author's point of view, we want to think, what does the author believe, right? We're seeing the article through his eyes. So what the author thinks, believes, or feels about what he wrote. So in this case, it'd be about COVID-19. And we want to state the main idea of the article, which is the cause and effect relationship, right? And so we know the main idea is that COVID-19 has many effects, right? And we know that because we know one effect is school closures, one is businesses closed down, and we also know that we have to wear masks now. Okay, so when you're doing your I know this because you can talk about the different effects that COVID-19 has. Okay, so you would restate it just like you would any CRE by saying the author's point of view affects the way the article is written, right? And then you would say, I know this because the author believes that COVID-19 has many effects, right? It has many different effects on us. And then you would explain what those effects are. Then you're going to cite your text evidence.